Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you share threads on your Instagram. So it's very easy. At first, just go to your threads. Now in the threads, you need to post something. So post anything you want. Now just click on post. Now click the bottom last profile icon. Here you can see the post I have shared. Now click the last icon of the post, the send icon. Now here you can see post to feed. By just clicking it, you can share your threads to your Instagram. So guys, that's how you can share threads on your Instagram. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.